Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. Guys, today we will unbox Honor XSport Bluetooth earphones. So as you can see, it's a Honor brand. Its model number is AM61. So let's unbox and see what is inside. It's a neckband Bluetooth. Wow, awesome. So what we found inside the box, one is pouch for carrying your earphones inside this pouch. As you can see, inside pouch have one charging cable and this Earphone rubbers, two model of different rubbers, two sizes available inside, and this is the sports band, neck band, Honor, and one manual also inside for instructions about charging and carrying. So we will see this earbuds. As you can see, this is the here written Honor. Here is the charging, which is micro USB charging port for charging this Bluetooth earbud, and here is the function of plus, minus and on off button, menu button. So I press this menu button, you can see this blue light appear here. It means this Bluetooth on. You can see here blue light appear, so it means Bluetooth is on. And now we will see charging. I connect my micro charging cable here. So during charging, it's showing us red light, red indication. When it's complete charge, it will disappear or change the color. So like this you can charge your Bluetooth earbuds. And here is the battery. You can see one side is battery, one side is control of this earbuds. So we will talk about its specification. You can see on the box this plus button for volume increase and next. Center button is for receive call, disconnect call and pause, and minus button is for volume decrease and previous, and here the indication for USB charging status. So this is the Honor XSports Bluetooth earbuds. So this box you can carry and you can put your earbud easily in this box. When you are not using, you can put your earbud in this box and close the zipper. So this is, as you can see, it's coming inside the pouch. So this is all about this Honor XSports AM61 Bluetooth earbuds. Hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, comment what you are thinking about this earphone Bluetooth and share the video. Thanks for watching guys.